If you're thinking about buying the TCL Q-Series Smart Inverter Window AC, here's a quick, honest take after using it for a while. Right away, the installation is pretty straightforward for a window unit. Once it's up and running, the first thing you'll notice is how quickly it cools a room. The inverter technology really helps here. It doesn't just blast cold air, it adjusts smoothly to keep the temperature stable without constantly turning on and off. Noise-wise, it's surprisingly quiet on low and medium settings. You can comfortably sleep or work without that loud compressor cycling sound you get from older units. The smart features are a nice bonus. You can control it through your phone, set schedules, and even adjust modes when you're not home, which is actually more useful than I expected. Energy efficiency also seems solid so far, especially compared to traditional window ACs. Overall, it's not perfect, but for the price, the TCL Q-Series feels like a solid, modern upgrade that balances cooling power, smart features, and efficiency pretty well.